Hey everybody and welcome back to another video where today I am playing NFL Football 2. So yeah. Hopefully I get the, ball. Like people want to throw me the ball. That was a failed handshake. Oh yeah, touchdown celebration. You're awesome. Yeah, baby. I have no idea what that is. Sorry for the background noise if you hear it. Hey dude, would you like... Oh, of course it's kickoff. Anyway, Buckeyes 6. Seriously. Buckeyes 6, Wildcats 0! And we're the Buckeyes, by the way. As you could see in the beginning, because, like, they made a touchdown. Or we made a touchdown. Did I tackle him? I literally have no idea. He's running it! Yes, I got him! Does this guy not know how to throw? No! Ugh! Almost caught it. Or almost intercepted it. That was annoying. I'm glad they're losing. Literally. Seriously, they got a first down. Oh, never mind. Hey, I mean, at least I helped block. Seriously, why not me, dude? I hate college football. That's why I'm gonna see you guys when I come back. Alright guys, I'm back. It's right now loading. NFL 2 is loading right now. So we just need to wait. Or I need to wait. You guys get to watch and wait. Yeah, I guess I should have played it when I had some better. Alright, I'll see you when I get in the game. Bye. Alright guys, I'm back and I am Steelers. Oh baby, yes. Quarterback me. Team captain me. Punt returner me. Kick returner me. Actually, I'm gonna attack the quarterback. Alright. Sorry. Sack! Your baby! I come in this game and I'm just like, oh yeah! I'm better than all you! Come on, XS Oliver. Officer, sorry. I forgot it was officer. Oh yeah, I need to pick... No, you're awesome. Oh my gosh, I wish this person would just throw it to me. Seriously. Dude, right here, right here. Oh my gosh. This dude is annoying. Okay, let's do this, boys. Oh, nice kick. Wait, why is there a Steeler right there? So wait, he can basically go through everyone in a kickoff, but not through me when I'm like right there, right in front of his face, like right now. Wow. This time I'm gonna pick one of these people to guard. No, why did I go like that? That was stupid. Oh yeah. However, that is more stupid. What? Okay, they decide to go for it. I will abide by your choice, dude. Thank you. Dude, right here. That dude's annoying. I didn't know he was gonna throw it to me. Dude, right here. Throw it. Throw it to me. Dude, right here. Right here. Throw it. Ugh. Can I have the football? No? Fine. Dude, throw it. I told me. Oh my gosh. This stupid person. Seriously? We probably could have gone for it too. I mean, we have 95, so. And they have 0. Dude, that's funny. Okay, this is like really, really glitchy. Seriously. I really should have been able to I really should have been able to do that. Oh, come on, I almost had it. That's annoying. Safety, nice, dude. Nice. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot. In a safety, we get it if they lose it. If you understand what I mean. Yes! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Baby! Baby! Awesome! Dude, look at this. Touchdown right off the back. Oh yeah. And watch this amazing touchdown celebration. I mean, none of them could get me. You're awesome. No, you're awesome. No, you're awesome. Why, thank you. Anyway. Yes. Ooh, I feel so awesome. Dude, that was amazing. Like, yeah. Okay. Should be an onside kick, honestly. Stay ready. He should be down. He should have been down, dude. Well, I got him that time. Oh yeah! Loss of 4. Take that, dude. Ha! Okay, come on. Punt it already, people. Punt it. Hike! It's sailing overhead. Ouch. Dude, this guy's good. Dude, right here, throw it. Of course he's gonna do that. I wanted him to throw it to me. But sadly, guys, I have run out of time for this episode. I hope you guys all have enjoyed this video. If you have, please leave a big fat thumbs up. And I will see you guys in the next episode. Goodbye!